X5 feels great to be back in here again, I'll tell you that. It really does. And they did an amazing job. I would have filmed, but I was up front and there were other cars coming through the parking lot, but amazing job. Just really happy with everything. Can't tell, and they took care of it, they cleaned it. Outstanding work, BMW Concord Collision. Thanks for everyone who recommended me go through a certified shop, so I appreciate that, and we'll go from there. Looks good. Looks good. Got it washed. They washed it, tires shine, everything. I mean, they cleaned the inside of the car, interior. I have to show that later. And here's the interior. They cleaned it up for me. Everything looks good in here. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I just want to cover this real quick. I want to show you why I have the X5 before I take it back to Lexi. I took it out for just a second to do some mulch here in the yard. So I thought since I have it before it gets dark, let's see what it looks like. So I apologize, it is a little bit dirty, but I haven't washed it since it left the body shop. But just here's how it looks. I think it looks good. Can't really tell it's had anything done. Maybe if I'm looking hard at it, and it's hard to tell, but the paint seems to match appropriately to me. Let me know your thoughts. Let's get close. Let's do the inspection together. But so far what they replaced the rear bumper cover, obviously paint to match, tail light, reflector. They had to do some adjustments with the gate. They said the bumper actually pushed the tailgate. They had to repair the tailgate. I'm not sure what that entailed exactly, but they said that had to get a new backup camera, new badges up here, and I think that's pretty much it. So I guess on the plus side, that little tiny scratch that I had is gone because they had to repaint the bumper. But other than that, I think it looks good. I don't know if you can tell, I did something different. I ended up taking off that spoiler that I had up here. I had it on for a while, then I don't know, I just got in that mode where I didn't like it anymore. So took it off. I mean, I think it looks a little bit cleaner, a little smoother. So what do you guys think of this? I'm pretty happy with it. And they, like I said, they took care of the car, they had it cleaned. Of course it's locked. Like I said, I just hauled some mulch in here. But yeah, the car was clean. It looked actually better than it was when I first dropped it off. Not saying it was in bad shape, but it looked pretty good. One last thing I want to talk about is what was done and why is BMW certified shop important. So someone told me to do a BMW certified shop for a collision. And prior to that, I did get an estimate at my local one, and they said, okay, we'll do some, repair the bumper, we'll repaint, and a few other things they're gonna do, and then you should be on your way. Now I went to the collision center, and they said that section that was hit is not a section that is repairable according to BMW specifications. BMW says because if the car is equipped with blind spot monitor, it is non-repairable. So I'm glad I didn't go that route. But that's what was discovered. And if you don't have blind spot monitor, then you can get it repaired. But it's something with the repaint, maybe the Bondo must cause some issues with the blind spot monitor. So I'm happy the X5 is back. We can regain doing some content. I can finish up some things, but coming soon, there will be more content on it. I'm going to do the rear diff change. I do have the supplies for the rear differential change, so that is coming soon. I do need to replace the front brake disc, probably do new pads. And I was talking to Tony, he has an upgrade or sort of a retrofit, so I can do the M5 pads. So it may open up more options. And plus I think the M5 rotors, I believe they are, yeah, something with the rotors or pads. I have to double check, but I think the rotors are lighter with the M5. That makes it worth the upgrade. Anyway, I'll do a full video on those. That is coming soon. Do have the baby on the way, so I'm gonna try to squeeze this in before the baby is born, and obviously my attention will go 100% towards the baby, but still want to do that. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're gonna do some more content. The X3 M40 is on the way. I got the information from the BMW My Garage. It showed that it was dispatched from factory. At the same time, the dealership reached out to me by email and said that they expected at their location within the week. So happy that it's coming along. Anyway, it's, yeah, we'll see. It's gonna be more content coming soon, a lot more BMW content. Type R people, Type R still here. We're gonna do that here soon. Like I said, I had to switch out Type R for the X5 and I gotta switch it back before she gets off work. But thank you for watching.